Looking good. Oh man, oh no, that's two different pieces. This is a Lego. You know what? This one was made by one of my sons. This one moves up and down and all around. This is the little guy that goes them. This one goes here. You know what? Maybe I'll give one. I got a whole bunch of them. Maybe I'll give one to auction off. So how much do y'all think? Well, let's raise hands. That's right. One of the things that I got critiqued on was that I can't let y'all yell out. I gotta control. So, Marcus, how much do you think this weighs?
That.
This Lego right here.
I'm gonna say, because I used to actually have a big Star Wars like thing.
Uh-huh.
Like the little controls, they were like 5 pounds.
5 pounds? All right, let's try Constance. 5 pounds? All right, let's get Cole.
2 pounds?
2 pounds? Tashana.
I'm gonna say 6 or 7.
6 or 7 pounds? Dante, we'll ask everybody. What's up? What's you so far? I think 2 pounds is the closest so far.
1 pound.
1 pound?
Yeah.
I can, 1.5 pounds. Herminia? 2? Maybe 1.5? Ava?
I think maybe 1.5, 2.
Marcus. And oh, all right. Jay Sean. It's because you. Tayshawn. Jason.
3.2.
3.2?
1.5.
1.5? Half a pound. It's just a half a pound. Now if you hold it.
Give me that. So you have more?
I have more. Now. Let me get. Everybody wants to see it. How does Legos connect to science? Any? Constance. All right, keep it going around. Everything has a connection to science. Think about everything in this classroom. Think about how we came to who we are today as people. Creating science had a part to do with it. Think of one thing, and I could probably tell you, math. While math is a product of science, math actually. Go ahead. Skeletons. We learned about skeletons how? Because we opened up and we investigated what was in there.
Can I tell you a word that you can try and associate with science?
Yes. Barbies? How did we make Barbies? We had to get the science in order to get the plastic in order to figure out how to make it and how to make it move. Hair?
What?
Hey, you know what? I have no hair. Science, genes. Well, I don't have as much hair as you guys do.
It's the weather guy.
No, I didn't try.
It's the weather guy.
The weather guy? So we all saw that this weighed a half a pound.
Hey. You mean, would you sell one more? Give me. Give me. This feels like.
Yusuf.
This feels like 0.
No, we already established it weighs half a pound.
Oh, it looks so cool.
Okay, so it weighs a half a pound, right? How much? Here we go.
Oh, you breaking your son's toy.
I'm the actual parent, so
He's
he's gonna figure it out tonight when he has to put it back together. He knows I was gonna take it apart. So how much does it weigh now? How much does it weigh now?
Less than half.
Less than half?
I think about now it's 1 pound.
1 pound? You think it's 1 pound now?
1 pound.
1 pound? Go ahead, TT. 4 pounds? So I need y'all to help me understand something. We knew it was a half a pound before I tore it apart. What makes you guys think that it's gained weight? Because I broke it apart? Same, right? And that's what I'm going to teach y'all today. and you probably already knew this, but this just puts it to light a little bit more that now you guys are going to be able to put them together and weigh them. But first, know what you guys know about what I'm going to teach. Okay? So this is what this. Jinx.
Thank you, sir.
So this is a KWO short. What you know, what you wonder, what you want to learn. No, I want you to do them right now. 5 minutes. You got 5 minutes to do them. So then next time I teach you science, I have a little better idea of what you want to know. You got 5 minutos. While I'm going to set up the Legos.
5 minutos.
Minutos. Minutos means minutes. No? Oh, you know what? Hey, I found a solution.
What?
I found a solution to me speaking too fast. Okay? Y'all need to listen faster.
Yeah.
Sounds good?
Are you gonna be like everything from 4 or 5 times before I understand that?
Everybody got one?
Yeah.
What's that? Because all I want, it's just very simple. Listen up. Just think about what you know about matter. 1 thing, 2 things, 3 things. What you want, wonder about it. What you want to know, and then leave the last column blank that says what I learned.
I learned about matter.
It really shouldn't be hard. If you don't know, just whatever comes to your mind, whatever you know about it right now. If you don't know much about it, that's fine. It's just a way to gauge, what we need to learn.
Do we have to write something?
I would highly recommend it. Let me tell you why. See what's down here? A rubric. Y'all know what a rubric is? No. All right, look what it says for KWA chart. 0 points. The student did not complete any section of their KWA chart. 5 points. The student completed some of their KWL chart. 10 points. The student completed all 3. Hey, you got to automatic gimme. Don't do the learn. Yes, ma'am. You're not getting graded for grammatical errors or anything like that. Matter. Wait. If you're wondering what you're going to write about, look up on the screen right there, and that'll give you some of an idea. Hey, get on your desk. Hey, y'all got about 3 more minutes on those sheets. Hey, why am I hearing so much talking? Y'all should be writing, right? Or wait.
Oh, wait. Does it have to include science?
It's your preference. What you think you know about weight or matter, and are they both the same? Are they not? Doom, doom, doom. I'm not gonna break it apart. You all are. Y'all ever heard of Lego technique? My kid, there are techniques that are like 8,000 pieces, and they have mechanical parts in them. My boy has my boy builds those, and he'll wake up and build them all day long till it's time to go to bed. And it takes that. I mean, it takes a good 4 or 5 days to build. Well, I'm talking. This is during summer and stuff like that.
What did he say?
What's that? This one right here, I dropped. And I tried to put it back together, and I couldn't. My son put it back together.
Was he mad?
No, he wasn't mad. He like I said, he loves doing this stuff. He's a very cool. I don't want. He did give me permission, but why would I need to ask permission from my son to break stuff up?
Because it's his stuff.
And who gave it to him? I'm gonna let y'all pick. So here, how we doing? We got about another minute. You don't got nothing to put on there? What do you know about weight? You don't know nothing about weight? Do you weigh anything? How do you weigh stuff? How did I just weigh that?
Liquid, solid, gas, liquid.
Is mass? You know what mass is? So, how much candy do you think you ate Halloween?
I didn't eat any.
None?
I didn't eat
So,
none.
I was gonna say you could give a guess at how much you
do you think your candy
weigh. Try your best. Of what constant total?
I'm talking about the Legos.
Oh, I don't know. We buy them all the different times.
I know that.
Nah. Are we ready to work with Legos? Yeah! Are we ready to work with Legos? Barbie? Well, listen up. So, I have 3 boys, so I'm gonna be teaching stuff with a lot of boy stuff. You know, that's just the way it is. I have no girls. Yes, Cole. All right, so each table is going to be broken into 2 pieces. So 3 and 3. It's going to be right here, half. There's a data sheet here and instructions of what you're going to do. This is all on your own as a group. You all in?
Cut the table.
Are we allowed, is all the people on our table?
3. These 3. You 3. You 3.
Oh, what did you talk about?
1, 2. 2. Actually, we can. All right. Who wants the most difficult one? What group wants the most difficult one? Y'all do? Good luck. Now, make sure you read the instructions because I'm not going to tell you anything else, but the scales are up here and read your instructions. Who wants the easiest one?
That's their team.
Who wants a hard? Read your instructions before you take it apart. You might want to do that.
Wait, are we gonna be more
We gotta take it.
Read the instructions. The what?
I want the ball.
Boat's gone. Boat's gone. All right, so work out. You got 15 minutes, and listen to follow the instructions. I'm not gonna tell you. Are you listening? Play.
No. I want the ball,
You
man.
listening?
I want the ball.
Hey, you have. Everybody ready to listen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mark. Jason. Just on. Everybody listening now? All I need is a minute. We might not have no time to play with them. Y'all listening? You're gonna have 15 minutes to follow those directions and fill out the data sheet. Okay? And then we're gonna talk some more. You got it? You know what you gotta do? Just that. Yeah, go ahead and start. You're gonna need scales.
Let's build it.
Yes, Yusuf. You guys are. Oh, you guys are all together, but you got two. You guys can be. No, you. How many sheets you have?
They have two. I want to do alone. I want to do it alone.
Well, if you want to do it alone, go over here with Karen.
Oh, that's fine. Y'all can swing.
I'll put it in the middle. Instructions for the speech.
Good luck then.
Yeah, we need a scale.
The scale's right here.
I know how to build Legos. Wait a minute, guys.
Have you read the instructions? Read the instructions. No. Hey, then build. Did you look at the instructions?
Taking it out and rebuild it. Okay, I'll build it back.
Y'all ain't gonna get that back together. You think you are, Karen? You think you are?
We look at this.
Yeah, you need the instructions.
I got bread.
Oh, I know y'all both are very smart. You guys gonna be able to put this back together?
Yeah, maybe not.
Make something. You gotta weigh it. You gotta weigh it when it's built, the way you built it, and then empty. So first,
First we'll start on the bottom.
why don't you weigh this first? Take all this and go weigh it. Here. Cause no, keep it right in there. So Put it all in there. How much does it weigh?
Nothing.
What is that? No. What'd you do? That's a half ounce. So just remember where it's at. Right there. Okay, now you can build it. Did y'all? Well, you gotta weigh it in parts first.
We got instructions.
Don't say it. Yeah, it does. So you gotta weigh it in parts. So you're gonna want to put all this on here and weigh it.
Okay.
And then you can build it however you want. And then we're gonna weigh it again. So what's that say? 8 ounces?
It says I can't 200. It says 200 grams.
Okay.
Or 800 ounces.
Now you're gonna build it however best you can, and then we'll weigh it again. You need help? Did y'all weigh it when it was broke apart? Look, here, let me tell you a secret. You want to hear a secret? You can build it however you want. It doesn't have to be a boat.
To build it correctly.
Yeah. Why are y'all weighing individual pieces? No, you can weigh them all together. Like that? Okay.
This weighs something.
Oh, you guys are experimenting?
You need a bag or something.
Yeah, let me give you a bag.
How much is this?
It's about $20. Here's the bag. Ooh. Oh, there was Yes.
Is this one because it's the one broke?
Okay, so what about it? You know, just build it without it and see. Maybe it wasn't there. I'm pretty sure it was, but maybe it wasn't there. I don't have another sheet of paper.
It's this one, but this one is no picture of this. How it was. Look at how to put it together like that.
Oh no, there's no picture to this.
How come that?
Because that one's a lot harder. This is a boat. But see, so hey, I don't have another sheet, but just put before and after and weigh it. Uh-huh. Yeah, you got it. Look.
Well, we're not that step. We just
Okay. What's up? Right here. Do you know how to do it? Okay, we're gonna talk about it on when I give a little presentation, and then you can fill it out then. Like right now, this top part is the main thing. These two parts will hopefully have time to do. Yeah, now you need to put it back together.
wait. I already got the first one. Now what are we doing?
I'll tell you when you have.
Oh, we have to rebuild it. We have to rebuild it.
It could be whatever you make it. It could be whatever you make it. If you can't make it into what it was, make it into something.
That's it. I love building things. I don't like to waste my life.
Mr. Rivera, look what I found. I found something.
But I'm just saying,
Let me take this off. I found something that everyone thought was funny, and I don't know why.
It looks like a bug eyes.
Eyeballs?
Eyeballs, yeah.
I'm not gonna laugh.
Yeah. It was put together when you got it. Here. Let me see. What's up? That's almost built. Oh, and this goes up here, right?
Yeah, but we need the other hair. Like
Right here. You got to put the gray thing on there. But here's the other piece right here. Oh, you got one right there. So you're looking for that piece? Is it this one? No, this is on the chest. I don't know. I don't know. Good luck. Good. This is for y'all to explore. Figure it out.
We need
You got 5 minutes. 5 minutes till we weigh him again, until we start something else. No. You guys are actually the closest one to having it built.
You have to follow the directions. You can't just stay. Why are you letting me see?
Hey, y'all gotta learn teamwork. Y'all are working good over here.
We're missing pieces because it's tired. She straight up snapped the thing.
Yeah.
Terry, we're missing the body part though. We're missing one of those.
It's in there. Here, I'll give you another one of those. 'That work? Three minutes. Then we'll have to learn through PowerPoint. Sir.
Alright, I don't make sense. This doesn't make sense. I think for whoever made this, China or something like that, it's right there, right? But it doesn't show anything on your foot, and it just shows this.
I'll say this much. I built it all this morning, so it's all. Well, I didn't build it all, but it was a little broken apart, and I put it back together. So all the parts were there for me to put it together. Yeah. Ooh, you and Karen team are the closest.
We are?
Yeah.
Wait, they're almost done?
No, they're not almost done. I don't think anybody's gonna be done.
We're almost done.
Ooh, I didn't see that.
What do you
I don't want to be in the...
I need one.
2 minutes.
Ours was so easy.
Did you weigh it? Did you weigh it now? Did you weigh it?
It's not doing anything. It's not even pushing down.
Melanie, hold on. It just moved a little bit. It's only like 3 ounces. It's a small car. So, but the parts and the car weigh the same. If it's all in a whole bunch of parts, or if it's all put together. That's what I'm trying to show y'all. You know. So we'll see. But see, no matter how you build this, no matter how you build it, with these parts, it's going to weigh the same. Exactly. So if you would have built this into a boat, into a gorilla, anything.
The thing is, like, if you put more of the stuff in front, then that means it would weigh more in front, but not at the back.
Yeah, it would weigh. So if you broke it apart, if you put this part over here and you broke it in half, then yeah, this part would weigh more because you got more parts there. That's good though.
I made a horse.
1 minute. I got it good. Y'all ain't. You didn't break it. You can't break it. Don't worry about it. You didn't break it. It goes. Let me see.
And we can?
Yeah, you can break.
We're really close. We're really close.
I don't know.
This is supposed to be a box. It's supposed to be just. I think you guys are
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Freeze, freeze, freeze.
We're close to done.
Let me see.
We're done.
Woo. Actually, I know who won already. Why it's not? Hey. So, hey, everybody now I need y'all to listen to me. So, did they think ahead by picking the smallest one? Yeah. Maybe they did. Maybe they didn't. But they were able to get done. You know, if you're able to think a little bit ahead, and you can think of those things, it'll help you. I think Karen's was really close. All of them were really close. Well, not all of them, but a lot of them were. All right, put them in the bucket and put them all inside the foil. I gotta take them up. That's good. You're close. All right, we're done exploring. Now we gotta bring the volume down.
Yes, sir.
Bring the volume down. Shh.
Oh, don't hit me in the head.
Karen, we're done, Karen. We're done over here.
Oh, look how much my hand
Let me get the scale, please. Be alive. Why are y'all still working on it?
Because we're almost done.
Oh, you are. Guess what? You're not done. Put it in there for me.
Why can't we finish it? Wait, can I put the hands on?
Put that little piece on and then we're done.
Wait, I need those.
No, 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 no.
I gotta put the hand on.
Karen? Okay.
You were so close.
I
You're
was
close.
messed up. I wasn't
This piece is cracked.
Don't break it.
Is it? Here.
Yeah, see, it's cracked.
That's fine. They break.
What about plankton?
Go, Slim. Put it in there. Be alive. I don't want to be alive. Who wants to read the lesson objective for me? Ava.
I will be able to identify and determine the weight of an object before and after it changes.
And is that what we did?
Yep.
Okay, every object can be described on its weight. The heavier the object, the more it weighs. Everybody agree with that?
Yeah.
Can someone give me an example? Tashawn?
Like when those transformers?
Mm-hmm. So like a small transformer would weigh more than a big transformer?
No, it
The,
will weigh less.
the other way around?
Yeah.
Okay. Yusuf, can you give me another example of how the heavier an object is, the more it weighs?
Like the little boat it barely like weighs
Like the little boat weighs less. I mean, yeah, less than the big boat, right?
yeah.
There's actually a mathematical equation for the weight of an object equals the sum of the weight of its parts. Can someone explain that to me? Herminia, I'll get you in there. You want help?
Okay. So
Say it out loud so we can all hear good.
the weight of the object and sum of the weight of parts. It means like equals like so sum means an addition of
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're right. You're on the right thing. So all the parts of something equal what?
equal to wait like
So So that car weighs 2,875 pounds. How much do all the parts of that car weigh?
2,875.
Does everybody agree with Hackasaw? Soccer ball? Soccer ball? Who doesn't agree with him? Who wants to challenge him?
Wait, what? Is that your car?
Who thinks that this car, if it's broken into all the pieces, still weighs 2,875 pounds?
Wait, what if it's got something in it?
That's
I thought it was real.
That's the meat of the lesson today. No matter how you break this apart, it's always going to weigh the same. Okay? No matter how you break this table apart, it's always going to weigh the same. If the sum of all the parts is equal to one object. Yes, ma'am.
I thought it wasn't because if you put something together, it's all together, so it weighs more.
Check this out.
And
Okay.
so if you put them apart, each individual thing will weigh less.
Okay? So I'm glad you brought that up. This is a cake. All right? So this cake is made out of what? Flour, eggs, stuff like that. This is what the egg is. It's made out of 14 ounces of cream, 32 ounces of milk, eggs, some other type of milk, and sugar. If you add those all up,
Get the cake.
all the ingredients up, get how much you think all those ingredients gonna weigh?
The same. The same.
Exactly, 84 ounces. So, go ahead.
Okay, so you have to put an actual cake together. Like you have to shape it up and everything. If you just mix that whole thing, it's not gonna weigh.
Well, you're gonna cook it and stuff like that. But regardless, if you have these ingredients for this cake, and you put that cake together, it's still gonna weigh the same amount. That is a scientific fact. Does everybody understand that? Because that's really important thing to understand.
Okay, so that thing right there weighs 14 ounces. That weighs 20.
Yep. It weighs 14.
20, 32. Okay, so that frosting right there, the purple frosting, does not equal the amount of cake. That milk does not equal.
But if you
eggs does not.
if you add them all up, it all adds up to 84 ounces.
Yeah, but that cake does not look like it equals.
Oh.
That cake looks like it equals like 10 pounds.
Hold on.
Isn't like the Legos when you took it apart, it still weighs the same?
That's exactly. I'm trying to get to the. Hold on. So you're saying this cake doesn't weighs more than 84 ounces? How do you know that?
Because it's all put together.
Because it's all put together. Well, how much do all these parts weigh?
84.
84.
No.
Right? So if
4 ounces on a way.
exactly. And if you have all those parts and you put them all together in a cake, into a cake or anything, just this table right here, if we were to break this apart and break it into dust and weigh the dust, it still weigh the same.
Really?
Well, if you burn it, now there's a chemical change there. We're just talking about mass right now. We're talking about weight. So we're not talking about making we're talking about physical change. Yes, Ronan.
Like in the picture of the cake, it showed that there were layers of it.
Yeah.
Is that additional stuff?
No. If I wish I had, I can't wait to have my own classroom. I'd make the darn cake. The parts. This is what I need y'all to get and understand. The parts, no matter what they are, they all equal the same as what you made. So if you have that garbage can, before this garbage can was molded into this, it was a piece of plastic. A big old piece of plastic, and then they heat injected it and made it into this. That piece of plastic weighs the same as this, even though that piece of plastic was small. Yes, Marcus?
Can you go back to the picture over the cake? What I don't understand is that you see how it has like layers and all the designs on it?
Mm-hmm.
But what if that's like not the sour cream? It has to be more stuff to it.
All the layers.
Why is it?
I see everything. And what did they use to make those?
Frosting.
Tools. Or something.
No, but look, it's more frosted than we think it's. It's not. Apart from the milk. If you can you go back to the video? Sorry, I'm not making.
No, I want this.
Okay, but if you look on the side of the pedals, right, and all that stuff,
Mm-hmm.
if the cake wasn't on the board, right, it would not look the same because if you look, you see how you have the big squares, and all the frosting on it, it does not make the same color.
It actually does. That's what I'm trying to show you, Marcus. This right here, if you have flour, eggs and stuff like that, and you make it all up, and then you use tools and you use your craft to make it look like this. This all got made out of those materials. Right, Hermione.
Okay, so that is not exactly true because if you fill a balloon up with helium, it's not going to weigh the same as when it is popped.
It is going to weigh the same.
No, it's not.
If you have a balloon with helium and just a balloon was on it, a balloon with helium, no, because the helium weighs something. It's good. Yeah, but you got another part there. The sum of the parts. So if you have helium and you have the balloon, and you weigh them apart, they weigh this. You weigh them together, they weigh the same.
No.
Yes.
That actually weighs 94 ounces.
Yeah, it's way
20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90, 90, 92. Oh yeah, 94. Well, no, they're right. So, does everybody, here's my question. Does everybody understand that that no matter what parts? Okay, so what do we need to do? What do we need to do in order for us to understand that the sum of all parts equal the object? Go ahead, Cole. But yeah, well, that's the thing about science. Science can be proven. You know, if this world was gone, science would bring it back to the way it is right now. So, yeah. So I don't know where I was going with that one, but I forgot. But that's where I was going. Even though I believe, and you, they're always the same. Some people don't. We can experiment. We can explore. We can find out. There's other things we can do to find out if that's true, because there's a theory behind this, and that theory has been proven many, many times. But I don't have enough time today to get.
Helium makes the balloon lighter. So
Lighter or heavier?
lighter.
Heavier.
The helium.
Heavier. All right, we're about to shut it down. Yeah, go ahead.
It's heavier. It's heavier.
No, everybody left me without no Steve.
It's still on the recording thing. It's not recording, but it's still on the recording. I forgot what these are called. My dad told me when I was little. Like nuts or something.
Alright.
I forgot what these were called.
Oh,
My dad-
wash it.
I don't know that name. People really got to find out. No, the bell rings. Do a bell ring. I don't really have to because you know I'm the last person. 3/12 second run, so
You wanna
it
carry
takes
that for me?
forever. Huh?
Here, that one, please. Thank you.
Dismiss Excel in 21st century. Dismiss Excel in 21st century.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna-
I don't know, like when I heard them say like 5, 6 pounds, I'm like, how is that 6, 7 pounds?
Yeah, they were way off on that.
I think one
Well, we keep coming to let it in, but I don't have
all doors are locked. Students. Students, help us.
Alright.
No one's down, it's over.
Yeah.
Now we can go all the way around.
Okay.
Fine.
You got it?
I can't really carry these, so I hold them here like this to get a better grip on them.
No, I don't know. It doesn't look like it.
You would have had to go through this by yourself.
You got it? You okay?
Yeah. Yeah, it's in 2 hands.
Nothing wrong with it.
Not right here, but more around. Where the bus is going. In a big area, where the bus is going. I think it's a little more around this way.
Where?
There's a... No, this is the front. Oh, it's a what's it called? A red one. What would you myself?
You got it?
They're letting her go out soon. They'll let us go.
Yeah, that was good enough. You got it?
First one, not second one. I think 312 is the only bus that does second run, so there's so many kids on the
Yeah, there is. I think there's another bus that does it. 317.
I don't know.
You got it?
We had to go all the way around the building. Because I stayed in line up to You're going to get bubble when you go in. I'm going to get trouble you want. You make sure this is even.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm going to
You
get
should have went with the rest of the class.
I didn't know they were gone.
No, you won't. We had to go around. She stayed in there longer than she should have, and when she went to the door, you guys were.
Ready for 317 to be done 317.
Which Lego did you have, Cole? Oh, yeah, I remember what came away.
I got the first one with the flamethrower.
Yeah.
I got the truck.
That one right there? Is that the one you have?
This is the one I
Is
have.
that the one you have right here?
I had this one.
I'm gonna give it him to Carmen and she can sell it.
I had this one.
What's the instructions for that one, right?
Yeah, this one. One of the pieces broken.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah, one of these pieces broken.
Don't, when you have to leave. You can play with it right now until you gotta leave.
See, this one's broken.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah. It's broken.
Yeah.
This was like the easiest for me, Ronan and Holmes.
Release bus 370. Release bus 370.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Wait,
see.
did you finish the truck, other truck?
Yep, that's one.
Oh, they didn't finish.
No, they didn't
I just
finish. You don't want to believe it. You gotta believe it. No. You gotta believe it.
Guys, have a seat on the carpet. We're all on the run, yes, but Mr. Thomas will come back later. I need you guys to have a seat, please.
No, but Helium makes it higher. I know. Think about it. You have a balloon and you have helium, so it makes it way more. Yeah, it does.
Then how did it make it float in the air?
Because the type of gas helium is. Yeah, the gas is the one that. Does helium make it lighter?
Yeah. Helium?
I'm gonna find out.
Air, but I think it's no, Lena, how do you guys
What?
That's what you're trying to tell us.
This is one of
This way's 3, this way's 2. What's it gonna weigh?
Release bus 322. Release bus 322.
If the air weighs
Miss Carmen.
if the air weighs 1 pound and the balloon weighs 2 pounds, what's it gonna weigh together? 3, 4.
When I come back up next Thursday, I'm gonna have a way for you guys to get it. I understand. It's the thing that people don't misunderstand. Cole was playing with it. I think he must have left already. Ma'am.